Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change display font size in your phone Vivo Y16. That is, you can change display text size in your phone Vivo Y16. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to display and brightness. Then go to font and display size and click on display size. Under display size, just you can increase display size. Okay, this is very large size. See here, when you are sending messages through some others through normal text mode or through WhatsApp, this font size this will be used. Okay, if you decrease the font size, the degrees means you can you have to move to the left side. Okay, this is small size. Okay, default one is second option. You can also use this button, restore default, and it will restore to default. See here. Okay, so in this way you can easily control display text size in one phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.